relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know the place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with myself, at one with it. I can't let that goofy nigga come dumping it. I told boy shoot a shot, but in it. You feeling me? I can tell that you feeling me. Acting like you was.
Here is the box that the wig came in. I got this wig from SHEIN. Yes, you heard your girl right. I got the wig from SHEIN. I am going to post my my order so y'all know I'm not lying, not trying to finesse y'all. I really got this wig from SHEIN because it was going around on TikTok for a minute that, you know, people was buying wigs off SHEIN, but they wasn't showing none of the packaging. So, you know, we could never figure out if it was real or not, or if they was lying. So I actually got this wig off SHEIN. Like I said, I'm gonna post my order so y'all know I'm not lying to y'all, but this is the box that the wig came in. It came pretty messed up, to be honest, like all these dents. It wasn't open like this, it was closed somewhat. But yeah, this is the wig that the box came in. This cute little reflective box. And then when you open it, it has these little instructions right here on how to brush your wig, what to comb for curly wigs, what to do, all of that. And then the wig came in a box. It came in a bag. Let me grab that real quick. So the wig came in a plastic bag like this with the length, the style, and what kind of wig it is. I think the density is like 150. It doesn't show it on the bag, but like I said, I'll put the order on the screen somewhere during the video so y'all can see. I'm gonna keep this bag to put all the rest of my wigs in. So yeah. But this is the wig right here. This is how it came wrapped. Let me stand up so y'all can see. Oops. This is how the wig came. Excuse my vanity, it's messy right now. I'm gonna clean it up later. And it also came with a pack of wig caps, which I already opened because I have one on my head right now. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm gonna take it out the packaging and show you. All right, so I know I look crazy, but like I said, I'm laying this wig cap down. But this is the wig. It came in a hairnet and with this white thing in the middle to keep the shape. But this is what the wig looks like. 20 inches, 13 by 4. I think 150 density. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check. But this wig is so soft. Like, this is probably the maybe third softest wig I've ever bought. And when I tell y'all there is no shedding coming from this wig, the day that I got it, I put the wig on and I was laying in this wig for like 20 minutes. No shedding. This wig is soft. It has movement. The highlights are really cute on it. Like, this wig is gonna eat when I put it on. But here's the inside cap construction. Like I said, it's a 13 by 4, so you have 13 inches across and 4 inches apart in space. A comb right here in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and then one in the back. And then you also have like your adjustable straps right here. So yeah, and then this is what the lace is looking like. Y'all see how small the knots on this wig are? When I bleach this wig, the knots are going to fucking disappear. This wig is going to give. The lace has a little bit of color to it. I know y'all can't tell, it look ashy, but the lace has a little color to it. I'm still gonna have to tint it. I don't know what kind of lace this is, but it's not extra thick, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna melt good. But yeah, these are the smallest knots I've ever seen on a wig. When I tell you these knots are small, these knots are small. Like, focus. Look how small those knots are. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and bleach the knots on it. It also did come slightly pre-plucked, but y'all know I'm probably gonna go in and pluck it some more. But yeah, I'm gonna go do all of that and then I'll come back to you guys once I'm ready to like fully install the wig.
Oh, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close. Let's take this overboard now.
version of us. But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's someone do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe?
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long as they call your name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene? Girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long as they call your name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
so soon.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve, in my dirt, 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 dirt. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, 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 done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch. Work, 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 work.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, I couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in a safety.